Ever pondered over the secret to a successful garden? It all begins with a tiny seed. Today, we unravel the mystic process of seed starting, making it simple and easy. First things first, gather your gardening essentials. Arm yourself with seeds, seed starting mix, containers, a watering tool, and a warm, well-lit space. Now we delve into the 3 top techniques to make those seeds sprout. Direct sowing, our first technique, is as straightforward as it sounds. Plant your seeds directly into the garden soil or containers. Ideal for seeds that don't like to be moved around, such as carrots, radishes, and peas. Prepare your soil, sow your seeds, and maintain a consistent moisture level until germination. Second, we have indoor seed starting. For those in colder climates or for crops that require a longer growing season, this technique is a lifesaver. Fill your containers with seed starting mix, sow your seeds, and place them in a warm, well-lit area. Keep the soil moist and transplant your seedlings outdoors when they're ready. And finally, we introduce the germination station method. This technique is all about creating a controlled environment to encourage seed germination. Whether you use seed trays with clear plastic covers or DIY humidity domes, providing consistent moisture and warmth will make your seeds sprout before you know it. In essence, seed starting is truly an art that doesn't have to be intimidating. Direct sowing, indoor seed starting, and the germination station method, with these 3 techniques in your gardening arsenal, you are all set for a thriving garden. Remember, a successful garden begins with a single seed. So, gear up, get your gloves dirty, and let the gardening adventure begin. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe for more gardening wisdom. Happy gardening, everyone!